Have you ever wondered how fire extinguishers work? Let's take a moment to appreciate these unsung heroes of safety. Fire extinguishers, they're compact, they're ubiquitous, and they're our first line of defense against the destructive power of fire. Their role in safeguarding our homes, workplaces, and public spaces from fire-related disasters cannot be overstated. They're designed to control or extinguish small fires, providing a crucial window of safety during unexpected emergencies. In the next few minutes, we will break down how these life-saving tools function. Fire extinguishers may look straightforward, but they have a complex structure inside. Let's unpack that. The main components are the canister, the nozzle, and the pin. The canister, also known as the cylinder, is where the magic happens. It's filled with an extinguishing agent, usually a foam or powder under high pressure. Next, we have the nozzle. This is the part you see at the top, designed to direct the extinguishing agent onto the fire. It's crucial for accurate application and effective fire suppression. Lastly, there's the pin. It's small but plays a massive role in safety. This pin is a locking device, preventing accidental discharge. You must remove it before using the extinguisher, enabling the handle to be squeezed and the extinguishing agent to be released. Now that we know the parts, let's dive into how they work together to extinguish fires. Ever thought about the science that powers fire extinguishers? Well, it's quite fascinating. Fire extinguishers are essentially vessels filled with an extinguishing agent under pressure. This agent is often a dry chemical or foam designed to combat different types of fires. Now, how does this agent get out of the canister? The answer lies in the pressure. The extinguisher's canister is a pressurized environment, and the extinguishing agent is desperate to escape that pressure. When you pull the pin on the extinguisher, you're essentially giving the agent the green light to bolt out of the canister. But the real magic happens when the agent meets the fire. You see, fires need three things to survive: heat, fuel, and oxygen, often referred to as the fire triangle. The extinguishing agent works by attacking one or more sides of this triangle. Dry chemical agents, for example, interrupt the chemical reaction of the fire, effectively removing the heat element. On the other hand, foam agents work by cooling the fire and creating a barrier between the fuel and the oxygen, thus removing both the heat and oxygen elements. So what we're essentially doing when we use a fire extinguisher is applying a quick dose of science to a dangerous situation. We're using the principles of pressure and chemical reactions to combat a potentially destructive force. So, the fire extinguisher uses basic principles of science to combat a potentially destructive force. Understanding how fire extinguishers work is important, but knowing how to use them safely is crucial. Let's recap. Fire extinguishers are designed to cut off a fire's essential elements: heat, fuel, and oxygen. They do this by releasing a substance that smothers the fire, cools the burning material, or disrupts the chemical reaction causing the fire. Now, on to safety. Always remember, fire extinguishers are for small, contained fires only. If the fire is large or spreading, evacuate immediately and call professional firefighters. Regular maintenance of your fire extinguisher is also a must. This ensures it's ready to go in case of an emergency. Lastly, remember the pass technique. Pull the pin, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, and sweep from side to side. This simple acronym could save lives. Remember, fire extinguishers are your first line of defense in a fire, so handle them with care. With the knowledge you've gained today, you can better appreciate this everyday lifesaver. Let's ensure this crucial information reaches as many as possible, enhancing fire safety awareness. Click at Venki Techie on the screen and subscribe please. Stay safe and stay informed.